Hey, welcome back. It's Michelle.
And Miguel.
Today we are going to discuss about the Japanese horror story character.
Japanese folklore.
Okay.
And today's featured Japanese folklore is Aka Manto, a ghost figure who's apparently handsome but wears a mask.
How would they know?
Because he reveals his face, I guess, when he haunts you. So apparently, the legend goes that when you're in the bathroom or a public restroom, in the toilet, Aka Manto will appear. However, I don't know how, there's many ways, but when he does appear, he will ask you if you want red paper or blue paper. If you choose red, you'll get stabbed or something. If you choose blue, he will choke you to death. And the trick is you politely refuse.
You know who uses red and blue paper?
What?
Gong Yu from Squid Game.
Anyway, so the way I came up with this idea is I wanted to just make Aka Manto stand up. So as we see here with the time lapse, it was too static and I just wanted to make him look cool, like some kind of, well, you know how I love creating fantasy characters.
Wait.
So
okay, wait. So what happens when you choose neither
toilet
paper?
According to legend, people often try to trick the Aka Manto ghost by choosing a different color paper, and he will just drown you in the toilet. Yeah, it's one of the weirdest Japanese ghost legends. But it's interesting, so it really inspires creativity and imagination. So I figured, okay, I'll just have him wear the kabuki masks, I guess. One of those Japanese traditional masks, and have him not have a face at all, just two glowing eyes. And so it's like mysterious. And the only human thing you could see is his arm holding a giant knife.
So what's with this? So does he have legs, or is that like a stick, or like a?
It's like a metal blade foot that he uses to attack people with as well, because I just can. So yeah, and then of course he's holding the two rolls of paper.
Yeah, I actually like the idea that you're using a kabuki mask, and it kind of ties...
I don't know if it's a kabuki mask, but it's some kind of Japanese mask.
No, it looks well. It kind of it looks more of like a human face, like a really pale human face, which connects to that idea of like the Aka Manto is supposedly a handsome person, and this is just so weird. I'm sorry, like this is like the weirdest thing. Not your design or anything, but actually, your design, I think, could appear in a very fun adventure game where it's like a Halloween-themed adventure, I guess. And
yeah, some kind of ridiculous game with a ridiculous plot about this hooded figure who has two colored toilet paper. So yeah, so that's my interpretation of Aka Manto. It's a weird folklore, so I have a weird idea.
I actually like it. I like how this person's posed, so a lot of good composition going on.
Oh,
and
thank you.
Those eyes are really staring at you.
Yep, that's the idea. So I hope you enjoyed that concept I made, and we'll see you in part 2.
Part 2 we go! Bye!